In the following video, you'll see Jesse, one of our technicians, installing aerators on the end of faucets. Those faucets are connected to little water heaters, Instaflow water heaters made by Chronomite Laboratories. These are point-of-use water heaters. Basically, the water flows in this way, runs through a heating element, an electronic heating element, and then flows out here straight up to the faucet. Actually goes through a mixing valve and then straight up to the faucet, and gives them hot water instantly. They're great for situations where the faucets or the fixtures are installed pretty far away from the water heater. We've all experienced it where we turn on the hot water to get in the shower or wash our hands, and it takes forever for the hot water to start coming out. That just means that the water heater is really far away from that fixture. These guys are mounted directly on the wall, directly beneath the sink, so the water gets there really, really quick. The purpose of putting the special aerators in is to control the flow so that the water flows through this element at the right speed, through the heating element, so that it has enough time to heat to full temperature, but not overheat, which can burn out the elements here. So in the following video, you'll see Jesse just taking off the old aerators and putting on the new ones. So the function of this is, it's a water heater that only services this one fixture. Mm-hmm. So the cold water comes in, splits here, goes to the cold side of the faucet, and enters the tankless water heater here. Mm-hmm. There's a heating element inside. As the water flows, it heats very quickly. This is an electric model with 277 volts, which is really strong. Mm-hmm. It heats the water going through here and goes right through there through a mixing valve. This mixing valve allows you to regulate the temperature so it's not too hot so you don't scald anybody. And then the hot water just goes up to the faucet from there. That's all there is to it. Sorry, Jesse. Very simple device. All electric, no tank.
There you go.
Had a kid. So let's see if that fits.
So you guys they don't have any hot water?
No.
Correct. Well, that won't function. These units will not heat water if the water flow, gallons per minute, isn't precise. These aerators that we're putting in are specially designed to regulate the flow, the amount of water that will go through per minute, which is actually what it is. I believe 1 gallon per minute. So
because now that thing's not regulating it properly, there's no hot water?
Correct.
Yeah.
So now, here's the moment of truth. You just hit the power button.
Let's see. And yes, we got hot water.
Here? Jesse, you're amazing. Good work. Isn't that cool? As simple as that. But the flow has to be proper. If the flow is too slow, it'll burn up the unit. If the flow is, yeah, we'll have to mention that. If the flow goes through too quickly, actually, let me back that up. If it goes through too quickly, it'll burn up the unit. If it goes through too slowly, it won't work properly.
Yes.
Am I backwards there?
Yeah, if it goes too slow, sometimes it won't trigger the sensor from the connection. It just basically won't turn on. You'll get no hot water, because of the aerator.
And you just fixed it just right now, right?
Yeah, just right now, changing out that proper aerator that comes with the manufacturer and that they supply.
Ooh, that was quick.
Yeah, we got 2 more to do, and they'll be set.
Basically, they have hot water here.
All right.
Good parts hander out guy. Pretty well versed there.
Gasket. The gasket's not in there. When you screw it on, just hand tighten, little quarter turn. Pretty much good. I got to switch on the heater because it has a shut off here. So we got. Now we got hot water.
Nice.
Got one more to go.
Jesse, you want to just introduce yourself real quick?
Oh, I'm Jesse B though, and I'm working here with Jeremy with Drains Plus. getting it done, you know?
Cool.
Well, I'm super glad to learn that trick because I hadn't seen that before.
The tamper.
Yeah.
Some of them do come out though. You can do it with.
Oh, so you're squeezing this to allow you to actually grab it.
It
I got you.
does a grip on it.
This is the tool. That's that. There is a little tool.
Yeah,
It looks
there is
like
a little
delta.
tool.
It looks like a delta tool.
Oh, thanks.
There is a tool for it, but I've always noticed that it just squeezing them a little bit.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Awesome. Man.
Let's see, this is good. I'll make sure this is on. And you don't see the switch because it's kind of back there.
Catherine, this is for you. What happened? Oh, just kidding.
You have a set.
Yeah? What do you need?
I just wanted to show you that you got hot water if you want to press all
Yeah?
Good.
Yeah.
They're good.
Amazing.
Are you serious?
Amazing, right?
It's been 3 years.
Changing lives, everybody. So what went down, guys?
Jesse worked his magic again.
Nice. In and out. That was super quick. They were super happy, man.
That's how we gotta do it. Make sure they're always happy. Make sure, you know, you gotta always have a relationship with these managers and all that stuff, and that's just kind of how business works.
Yep.
We gotta make sure we make a name for ourselves out there.
Yep.
It was cool to see how excited they were. Next time Jesse walks in there, they're gonna give him a hero's welcome.
Yep.
It's always good to see.
Cool, cool.